I'm Travis Kitchens. I'm the general of the Mississippi chapter of the Fairose Car Club. Fairose got started in Modesto, California in 1948. We're currently in just about every state in the United States, Nova Scotia, Canada, Finland, Japan, Australia. We are the world famous Fairose, and the name Fairose means we're the king of the car guys.
You're a general.
I am the general. I'm the one that started the charter here in Mississippi. We currently have divisions in New Albany, Guntown, Potts Camp, Houston. We're getting one going in Lucedale and in Biloxi right now.
Okay. Are there people of other ranks in your organization?
Yes, my son, he's a colonel. Each division has a commander. Pat James is our commander for the New Albany division. Jerry Shaw is the commander for the Potts Camp. Alan Moore is commander for Houston, and Michael Mann is commander for Guntown. And then we will be filling our ranks on down. The Fairose were started in 1948 by World War II veterans out in California, and that's why we use a military ranking. We do have a chaplain. It's Jerry Garrison, and he has the rank of captain here in New Albany.
Okay. What do the Fairose do as far as community-wise?
Well, our charity is Wounded Warriors, and we're just here to promote fun and a good family atmosphere. When we have our events, there's no alcohol present, and we want something that you can bring your kids, grandkids to. We're trying to give it something for the younger people to get into the car culture, and we're just all about having a good family time.
What classifies as a classic car?
Well, for the Fairose to be a member, we have a 1974 or older. For our cruise-in, like here, we don't require it, but we just ask that your car qualifies for an antique tag. But if you were to show up in a newer Camaro or Corvette or something, we wouldn't turn you away.
Okay. What's the oldest car here today?
I think it might be that 32 Ford five-window coupe down at the end there, that yellow one. And that's just like the one that John Milner drove in the movie American Graffiti. And American Graffiti happened to be filmed in Modesto, where we started. And the car club in American Graffiti was the Fairose. But due to copyrights, they had to spell it a little different than what we spell ours.
If you were to give anybody any advice about getting involved in classic cars, what would it be?
Well, just get into it, get you an old car, and come on out. The fellowship and just driving a classic car takes you back to a different time, and you'll find a group of people that are just desirable people to be around.
Ronnie Kitchens, I'm the colonel of the Fairose.
How long have you been involved?
I've been doing this since I was like 5 years old, handing tools to my dad and just helping him around the shop, and kind of started doing my own thing with my own cars, and it's just taking off from there.
What's the favorite car you've ever built?
My favorite car right now is my 66 SS Impala. It's got a big block with 2 full barrels with a tunnel round.
Yeah.
And I've got my 71 that I drove up here. I've been driving that truck for 20 years. And I've got probably several other projects that's in the works right now, but those are the only 2 I got on the road right now.
Family car. It's a 1954 Chevrolet. And when my oldest son was born, we brought him home from the hospital in that car. When Ronnie, my second son there, was born, we brought him home from the hospital in that car. When his son Garrett was born, he brought him home from the hospital in that car. And then when Travis's son Rowdy was born, he brought him home from the hospital in that car. So that's 2 generations, 4 kids, all brought. That was the first car they rode in.
Oh, wow.
So we still have it. It'll never go anywhere.
What's your favorite car you've ever worked on?
Well, I love 57 Chevys, and I've got 12 different body styles of those, and of those, I guess the 57 Chevy convertible would be my favorite.
It's our own Alan.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
What you got up here today? Tell us about it.
67 Pontiac Le Mans Sport Coupe, 326 automatic air. Nice old car.
Nice.
Fun to drive.